In the depths of the ancient oceans, the story of sharks began over 400 million years ago, a tale older than the dinosaurs themselves. These magnificent marine animals glide silently through the water, embodying the grace and mystery of the sea. Despite their reputation, many sharks are gentle and fascinating. Take the zebra shark, for example. It is a beautifully patterned shark known for its docile nature, often seen resting on the ocean floor and feeding on small fish, mollusks, and crustaceans. Sharks come in all shapes and sizes, and their diets are just as varied. Some, like the hammerhead, like to snack on stingrays and small fish, while others, such as the gray reef shark, are known for their diet of fish, crustaceans, and cephalopods. Reflecting this diversity, the endless ocean realm is home to a wide array of shark species, providing a glimpse into the lives of over 12 distinct species. These include the sleek black-tipped reef shark, the large, awe-inspiring sand tiger shark, and the peculiar-looking scalloped hammerhead, each playing a unique role within their marine habitats. For those interested in a closer encounter, the Abu Dhabi ocean realm facilitates direct interactions with some of these sharks, such as the Arabian carpet shark in the touch pools. This educational engagement offers visitors a hands-on way to learn about the behaviors and ecological importance of these sharks. These ocean friends play a critical role not only in their immediate environments, but also contribute broadly to the health of marine ecosystems. By regulating fish populations and other aquatic life, they ensure the ocean's diversity and vitality. Sharks have some incredible adaptations too. Their skin, covered in tiny tooth-like structures called dermal denticles, reduces drag and helps them glide effortlessly through the water. Sharks have an incredible ability to detect electrical fields produced by other animals. Using specialized organs called ampullae de Lorenzini, they can sense the faintest movements and heartbeats of their prey, even buried under the sand. Sadly, many shark species are threatened by overfishing and habitat loss. These majestic animals face declining numbers driven to the brink by human activities. If we do not take immediate action, we risk losing these essential guardians of the ocean forever. Sharks are not just the guardians of the sea. They're lovable, essential, and worthy of our protection.